This is the reality of using stamping plates in the salon. I wanted to show this raw video of what it looks like and share some tips and tricks of what to do and what not to do, as I've learned a couple of things as I've been using this in the salon. The first tip is going to be to place a full napkin underneath the stamping plate. Therefore, when you remove and you slide the polish across with that card, it would go directly onto a napkin, because you're going to see I make a tremendously big mess in between doing all of this. The second tip is going to be I personally just bought tape and I reversed it. Therefore, the sticky part of the tape is facing up to the ceiling, and I just press my stamper onto there to remove anything that I don't want. And if there's anything that's too close to the design, I'll just remove it once I stamp it. I would recommend to put a base or polish. Here I'm using the stamping on top of polish. You could use it on top of acrylic, but because acrylic is porous, stamping polish is going to seep into the pores of the acrylic. So it's not going to give you such a polished look like it would if it's just gel and you get a little bit of acetone and clean it. Also, you're going to want a couple of broken down pieces of paper, because as you go working, you need acetone, pure 100% acetone, to clean the stamping plate as you go using the same design or a different design. As well as there is stamping polish. Besides using just normal polish, I would highly recommend stamping polish. I personally bought mine at Donut Nails and it works amazing. The next tip is going to be, if your stamper stops working for whatever reason, just make sure your stamping plate is completely clear of all debris. And you're also going to want to go ahead and pull out some more tape so you can press your stamp onto the tape to reactivate that sticky layer that it has, so it can pick it up completely from the plate and transfer it onto the nails. And here's the final results of that nail set. Everything was done with stamping.